Let's talk a little bit about warranties. So you know what a warranty is. If you buy a car, it may come with a warranty. Most new cars do. Some used cars might. Um, but just a statement about the condition of the goods. So if a seller breaches a warranty, the buyer can recover damages and rescind the contract. All right. In other words, if there's a warranty made, and we'll talk about the type of warranties on the next slide, but if a warranty is made, buyer can recover damages as a result of that warranty, or in some cases cancel the contract and be entitled to a full refund. Warranties can be and commonly are disclaimed in sales contracts, but let's talk about the types of warranties. Title warranties, and this is the most basic. It means if I'm selling something, I have the legal right to sell it because I own it, or the owner has given me the right to sell this. When I sell something, it's sold, it doesn't have a lien on it, or if it does, I've disclosed that. And it's free of infringement or other claims. Basically, a title warranty means I'm selling you something that you can fully own, use, and sell, and you don't have to worry about someone claiming rights in that property. And that's warranty of title, which cannot be disclaimed. Express warranties are made by the seller and pertain to the quality of the goods being sold. All right, so if samples are sent over prior to purchase, that creates a warranty that if you buy, this is what you're going to get, or what you get is going to be consistent with the sample. Same with a description, even if it's just a parenthetical or a paragraph describing the goods. All right. The buyer has to have relied on that warranty in making the sale, right? If we're going to treat that as breached, all right? Opinions are not warranties. So if I sell, this is the best chicken, best poultry you can get on the entire Eastern Seaboard, that's an opinion. That doesn't create an express warranty. But if all the chickens, all the poultry you buy from me is going to be 16 ounces or more per unit, well, that's an express warranty because that's not an opinion, that's a verifiable weight and fact. All right. Again, we'll have lots of examples to work through this. Express warranties, and actually, we'll come back to that. Implied warranties are based on the actions of the parties, all right, or the nature of the transaction. So, implied warranty of merchantability. Goods are fit for the purpose for which they are sold. If you're at a restaurant and you buy food, there's an implied warranty of merchantability that the food you are served is fit for human consumption. All right? That's the implied warranty of merchantability. Implied warranty of fitness for a particular purpose. All right, so this means this occurs only when the buyer is relying on the expertise of the seller to make a recommendation. Two quick examples. If you go to a tire shop and tell the tire salesperson you plan to go off-road and ask for them to recommend a tire, you're relying on their recommendation because you have went to a tire expert. All right, so that those tires would come with an implied warranty of fitness for off-roading. Another quick example. I'm going skiing, and I go to a ski shop and ask the shop to recommend some ski gear. All right, so anything that sold to me in the ski shop, or really it could just be a sporting goods store, comes with an implied warranty of fitness for a particular purpose, i.e. skiing. Okay, so let's talk about disclaimers. And this happens quite a lot. Express warranties can be disclaimed in the contract. And what does this mean? Because express warranties are statements made by the seller, either orally or in writing. How do we do this? Well, it's done in the contract. Basically that, for instance, if you ever look at a sales agreement for a used car, it contains a disclaimer of all express warranties that aren't also written in that contract. In other words, if the salesperson tells you something, but it's not in the contract, then it's not part of the agreement. So that's how you would disclaim an express warranty. Implied warranties can also be disclaimed. Fitness and merchantability are disclaimed very easily with words as is or with all faults. So if you've ever bought a used car as is, there is no warranty that that car will even run because it's as is. You know, cars are typically driven, but as is means there's no guarantee, no warranty, I should say. So the only, some requirements, disclaimer must be in writing and conspicuous. Okay, so that's it for what we need to know for chapter 12.